Hi, hello everyone. So you guys can see it already, right? This is a completely new interface of mine with this kind of voice. And in this context, you might think that I've transitioned, right? But I haven't had a chance to change my voice yet, right? Well, no, now let me switch back to my original self. Now, when I switch to the female version, you can see that all my gestures and actions are consistent with each other, right? That's one of the applications of motion control that you can achieve. For example, here I'll switch to another character dancing and all sorts of moves. Can you see that? There you go. Or like this. So you can see it, right? Pretty cool, right? All right, let's get started with the tutorial. First, you'll need to access Higgsfield AI. I've put the link in the video description. When you go there, you'll see there are a lot of features, right? It's not just for videos, but also for images. For example, if you select the image section, there are a lot of models like Higgsfield Show, Higgsfield Voxcom, or Nano Banana Pro, the hottest one right now, or even GPT 1.5, for instance. There are so many models. Or when you switch to video, you can see it too, right? Cinema or V3 or Sora 2, for example. So in this video, I'll focus on what's called clean motion control, the video I demoed for you at the beginning. When you go into clean motion control, you'll be able to create videos just like the one I made, right? Okay, let's start right from the beginning. You'll go to the image section and choose whichever one you want. For example, I'm using Nano Banana Pro, so I'll prepare a video and a still image from that video, right? Now I'll upload an image. Here, I'll try uploading this one. Here, I just want to change my character. I don't want to change the background, right? So I'll just write the prompt in Vietnamese. It's really simple. For example, let's say, please turn me into a beautiful female version with short hair and wearing a dress, right? You can write whatever you want, and when you click generate, it will generate it for you, and then you can move on to the next steps. Okay, just wait a moment. There, after waiting for a bit, it gives me 4 results, right? So just pick whichever one you want from here. For example, if I like wearing a dress, there's a version of me in a dress here, right? Then I'll choose this version. Wait for the loading icon for a bit, and you'll see the 4K quality that this Nano Banana Pro brings. It's really sharp, isn't it? All right, just click download to save it. Download it here. Next, once you have the image, go to the video section and select Clean Motion Control. Clean Motion Control here is very simple. The interface is really easy to use. Click on Upload Reference Video. Here you can upload videos that are anywhere from 3 seconds to 30 seconds long. 30 seconds is quite long, right? That's really long for a dance video, isn't it? So just click on Upload Reference Video, then select the video you want. For example, here I've already prepared one, so I click Open and it will load the video. I'll show you the video right away. I'll record a test for you to see. So this video is a test video for you to see what's called this gesture, this action. See, it's just that simple, okay? After you upload, you'll upload the character image, all right? So you'll upload the picture that you've created. For example, here I've already downloaded this picture, right? It's this picture of the girl. Okay, I'll click open. This is my female version. As for the prompt, right, you can write whatever you want. The background, how it moves, or anything else you want to add, it's up to you, so that's fine. Here, I'm going to show you the easiest way to approach this so you can do it as simply as possible. So I won't write a prompt at all. Okay? I'll select video, and for quality, I'll choose 1080 so it's sharp, right? And then I'll click generate. After that, I'll just wait for it to process. Okay, so after waiting for a while, we finally have the result. Depending on how long or short your video is, how complex it is, and what the frame rate is, the processing time will vary. It all depends on your video. For example, with this video, it might be a few minutes long or maybe just 30 seconds, but the processing time could go up to around 10 minutes. It really depends. So just be patient and wait. Now let's check out the result and see how it turned out. Click play. Hello, I'm Nem. This video is a test to show you gestures, actions, and how to change characters. There you go. Hello. Pretty impressive, right? Wow, right? See, that's awesome. So it really depends on how you use it. For example, you might have seen on TikTok, like these videos I'm introducing to you here. They're made from videos of characters dancing, TikTok dances, and all sorts of styles. So you can apply this to those kinds of videos, and you can totally do it with Kling AI. And Kling is also available on Higgsfield AI, so you can definitely do it. It's really simple, right? So after watching, you can easily follow along and do it yourself. And the plan I'm using is the unlimited plan. So if you're going to buy it, you should get the unlimited plan like I did, because it's more optimal since the cost is much cheaper compared to all the others on the market. When you buy the unlimited plan, you'll be able to use it a lot more, for example. Or you can go to the Explore section, where you'll also see a lot of other features. For example, with Mixer Media, there are a lot of things like street music videos and all kinds of music video production that you can do using Higgsfield AI. Or you can check out the intros here, those moments, those cool things that Higgsfield AI turns into a movie, for example.
Let me explain how to successfully take over the world. Find a villain. He must look like a villain and a threat to the planet.
See, it can combine a lot of different things together to make a video, for example. So it all depends on your imagination. There are absolutely no limits, right? Alright, that's it for this video. You can access Higgsfield AI using the link in the video description below and give it a try yourself. If you want, in the next video I can show you how to use AI to create a female voice for gaming.